You can have this fantastic soft gnocchi in a brown butter and sage sauce ready in 15 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. In our previous video, we showed you how to make homemade gnocchi, but you can do this recipe with fresh shop-bought gnocchi as well. And it's so simple to make, it all comes together really quickly. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by boiling the gnocchi. Place 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pounds of fresh gnocchi in a large pan of boiling water and boil the gnocchi until it floats. You might need to do this in a couple of batches. Then remove with a slotted spoon and place in a bowl. Now we're going to fry the gnocchi up. This will give the gnocchi a lovely crisp texture. So we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Add the gnocchi to the pan with a pinch of salt and black pepper. And fry for about 5 to 6 minutes until the gnocchi's got a nice crust. Then remove the gnocchi from the pan and place in a bowl. You want to scrape up most of the bits left in the pan, but you don't need to worry about wiping it totally clean. Some lovely crispy gnarly bits in there. I could just eat them just as they are. Right, now we're going to make the brown butter. So I've got 75 grams, which is about 1/3 of a cup of unsalted butter here. And we're going to add that into the pan over a medium heat. Once the butter's melted, continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it goes a very light brown and has a slightly nutty smell to it. Now we want to add about 20 fresh sage leaves and cook for a further 2 minutes. Now 20 sage leaves might sound like a lot and you might worry it's going to overpower the dish, but the flavour of the sage does mellow as it's cooking in the butter. Now add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for a further minute, stirring often. Add the cooked gnocchi to the pan and sprinkle on 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Then add the zest of a lemon and the juice of half a lemon and stir together. Divide between bowls and top with a little parmesan and some more black pepper. And there you go, a simple brown butter and sage sauce that goes perfectly with fresh gnocchi, all ready in 15 minutes. And in case you missed it, here's the recipe for making homemade gnocchi. And if you like that, I know you're gonna love my gnocchi with chorizo in a creamy, spicy harissa sauce. See you next time. Let's have a taste. Oh, so good.